स्वागत है सर शो पर। और सर सबसे पहले जानेंगे ओवरऑल Q3 की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी के लिए एक अच्छा क्वार्टर रहा है। ये मोमेंटम कैसे आप कंटिन्यू देख रहे हैं आने वाले क्वार्टर के लिए, स्पेशली अगर बात करें इन Q4 और आगे अगर देखने जाए फॉर FY26 अर्ली इंडिकेशंस क्या देख रहे हैं आप?
This Q3 was very good for us on revenue growth perspective. Of course, our EBITDA margin also dropped in this quarter. This was because of the one-time settlement cost we have done for a customer in a nearshore location for the employees exit settlement, ramp down settlement for employees. We are expecting that margin to recover in Q4. But revenue in Q4, we are expecting a challenge in revenue because the quant has the seasonality. Quant customers have seasonality. And our biggest customer, largest customer, they are also having a ramp down. We will know the exact implication of this ramp down only during the course of Q4. We expect the revenue to be dropping in Q4 from Q3 by about 2.5 to 3.5%. That's the expectation we have in the revenue drop for Q4. In FY26, your question on FY26, we expect it to be moderated. We have to wait and see how the last customer is bouncing back. We are expecting in to couple of quarters, that is by 1st July to September quarter, they are expected to recover back. We have to wait and see how they are recovering back. Based on that, we will be able to update the growth in FY26 at present.
Right, sir. So, sir, excluding of client ramp down in high tech, क्या आप देख रहे हैं Q4 के लिए कुछ positive growth यहाँ से?
No. This Q4 will be more lower. In Q3, we did not have that much of impact. We had only 1 month impact on the revenue. Q4 will be the full quarter impact. So we are expecting the revenue to be much more impacted on Q4 for the high-tech customer. That is the reason why at company level also, because this being a quant customer's seasonal impact and also our high-tech customers impact in Q4 full quarter impact, we expect the revenue to degrow by 2.5 to 3.5% from Q3 to Q4. This will not recover. It will take time, at least couple of more quarters to recover back.
ओके राइट सर। जगन्नाथ सर, जैसे हमने पहले यहाँ से डिस्कस किया, तो क्या ये कह सकते हैं FY26 विल बी बेटर देन FY25?
FY26 we are expecting it to be better than FY25, but the ifs and buts of the large customer, how he is able to bounce back in, we are expecting it to happen in July quarter. If a bounce back happens, then it will be better. If it is going to take more time, it will have some challenges in better in FY26 also. So we have to wait and watch how it emerges in Q4, and we will give an update about FY26 by the end of the Q4 quarter.
डेफिनेटली सर, और आपने भी जैसे मेंशन किया ऑन एबिटा मार्जिन्स, एबिटा के फ्रंट पर, तो इंटरनेशनल एबिटा मार्जिन्स जो है एक ड्रॉप देखा हमने शार्पली, और यहाँ पे एक रीज़न था वेज हाइक, उसका एक इम्पैक्ट देख रहे थे, और कुछ रीज़न आप देख रहे हैं इसके अलावा जो यहाँ से एक ड्रॉप देख रहे हैं?
There is a one-time settlement we did for location for the high-tech customer. That was the major reason. It about 2.8% impact came from 2.9% impact came from this settlement only. We are expecting to recover that full amount back in Q4. So margins will bounce back. However, the revenue will have a challenge for that.
जी, तो सर एक चीज़ यहाँ से समझना चाहेंगे, मार्जिन्स के फ्रंट पर क्या एक रिकवरी देखेंगे इन Q4, और द नेगेटिव टॉप लाइन ग्रोथ जो यहाँ से देख रहे हैं विल रिजल्ट इन लोअर Q4 मार्जिन्स वर्सेस Q3 मार्जिन्स?
Margin will one time whatever we have done, a one-time payment to the employee to settle in Q3, will recover that fully back. That's our expectation. And salary increase we cannot. It will take a couple of quarters to recover. But other one-time items will be recovered back in Q4 in terms of margin.
करेक्ट सर। तो सर आगे जानना चाहेंगे यहाँ से जो यहाँ से कैश बुक है कंपनी के पास 672 करोड़, तो उसका अभी क्या योजना है, कैसे कंपनी यूज़ करेगी, और डोमेस्टिक बिजनेस कैसा रहा वो जानना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, we have a cash. We are having some also loan of around 440 crores around there. So net cash is around 172 crores. This is not enough for us to run the business. We will be investing in business only. As mentioned earlier also, we have an RBI issue. So we were not able to remit money from India to US. Once that settlement happens, we will accelerate the loan closure. as much as early as possible so that we are not having interest cost expenses in our P&L. That is a focus area for us. We will use the money once the RBI issue is started out. We are in the fag end of the issue. We expect it to be resolved in the next couple of months. Once it is done, probably we'll accelerate our repayment of loan and so that we can save the interest cost in our P&L.
जी, तो जगन्नाथ सर लास्टली जानना चाहेंगे, कंपनी ने जो यहाँ से एक एम्बिशन स्टेट किया था टू रीच $1.5 बिलियन रेवेन्यू बाय FY27, गिवन द एक्सपेक्टेड सॉफ्टनेस इन Q4 और द जनरल स्लो डाउन इन स्पेंडिंग लास्ट ईयर, क्या यहाँ से एक एम्बिशन शिफ्ट होता देख रहे हैं हम?
Yeah, this FY27, we said we will reach a run rate of $500 million by end of FY27. It may be delayed by a couple of quarters because of all the developments in our largest customer. We are making an assessment of it. When we come back on Q4 results announcement, we will update you on the FY27 whether we will be able to reach there. At present, it's a little vague. We are waiting and seeing how is the reaction from the large customer. Based on the developments of revenue growth with the large customer, we will update on the FY27 $500 million plan.
Right.
India, in domestic business is doing well. They will continue to reach the revenue target. That's the expectation.
Definitely. Jagannath sir, काफ़ी details हमारे साथ share की. Thank you sir for connecting and best wishes for coming quarters. Thank you again.
Yeah, thank you.